Welcome to Belleville Toyota, where our 250 years of experience and commitment to exceptional service begins the moment you schedule your appointment. Scheduling is a breeze. Simply give us a call or book online at your convenience. We value your time and want to make the process as seamless as possible. On the day of your appointment, drive into our service drive-thru. Park your vehicle inside our service garage. Turn off the engine and make your way inside to our service advisors for your appointment check-in. Can't make it during regular hours? No worries. Take advantage of our convenient drop-box option. Just let us know when scheduling and we'll ensure a hassle-free drop-off and pickup experience. While your vehicle receives expert attention, relax in our modern and comfortable waiting lounge. Enjoy free Wi-Fi, sip on a cup of freshly brewed coffee, and make yourself at home. If waiting isn't your preference, we've got you covered. Our shuttle service is available to take you anywhere within a 20-minute radius. Stay productive or simply explore the nearby area while we take care of your vehicle. At Belleville Toyota, we pride ourselves on delivering a service experience that exceeds expectations. Schedule your next appointment with us and experience the difference firsthand. Your satisfaction is our priority. Belleville Toyota, where service meets excellence.